This video is designed to give you an overview of the ResQmat and is not intended to be a substitute for actual training with the product. The video needs to be assessed in line with the manual handling and cross-infection policies in place within your organisation. Please bear in mind that although the video has been filmed within an NHS hospital, the equipment has been designed for use in various types of buildings where the available space is often very limited. Any manual handling techniques used within the video are merely suggested methods to move non-ambulant persons in an emergency. It is noted that there may be other acceptable alternative techniques on some occasions depending upon the physical and mental condition of the patient or resident, and within slightly different environments to those portrayed. The ResQmat has been safety tested to a maximum weight of 160 kilograms, although the maximum load to be pulled down the stairs should be recommended by your manual handling advisors. It is advised that a minimum of 2 people handle the ResQmat, and as a general rule, the maximum weight being pulled should not be more than the combined weight of the handlers. Each patient should have their own handling plan, and this should be considered before transferring any patient using this equipment. If time allows, always work with the bed at a comfortable working height. To prepare the patient for evacuation, wrap her in her bedding. This will ensure they are kept warm and adds extra protection. Roll her onto her side, ensuring that she is well supported. Open the storage bag to release the ResQmat by pulling the white Velcro holding strap apart. Unfold and open up the ResQmat and place in position ready for use. Ensure that the built-in pillow is at the head end. Carefully place the ResQmat behind her, tight against their back and legs. Gently roll her back onto the ResQmat and position so that she is comfortable. Firmly wrap the sides of the ResQmat over the patient and secure with the Velcro straps. Make sure that the red shortening strap is clear of the patient's feet and place their feet inside the V section of the red strap. Pull the red strap through the buckle on the chest area and fasten for a tight but comfortable fit. By shortening the ResQmat, you are helping to secure the patient if they are required to be transferred down the stairs. This is particularly important for smaller people or children. Various methods of taking the patient off the bed can be used. Please consult your moving and handling department to ascertain the correct method of transfer for your own specific environment. If the type of bed and space allows, the bed can be tilted towards the foot end. Remove the foot end of the bed, lower and tilt the bed. The patient is then pulled off the foot end of the bed. Make sure to protect the head throughout this procedure, particularly as the head comes off the end of the bed.
Action.
Take the bed down to its lowest position. With a handle at each end of the ResQmat, take hold of the pulling straps and move the patient into a position where they are lying at approximately 90 degrees to the bed, ready to slide off. The person at the head end keeps the straps short and starts to move backwards, allowing the ResQmat to touch the floor. The foot end operator allows the straps to move through their hands, controlling the descent of the ResQmat onto the floor. Once the ResQmat is on the floor, both operators should pull it from the same end. If doors are to be negotiated, the ResQmat should be pulled from the head end to avoid doors closing on the patient's head. However, it is vital that the patient approaches the stairs feet first, so be careful to ensure that turning the ResQmat around in a narrow corridor is not required to achieve this feet-first position. With one person at each end of the ResQmat, the patient can be moved down the stairs. It is very important that the person at the foot end keeps the pulling strap short until the upper part of the body has come over the top step. This helps to prevent excessive bending of the patient's hip and pelvic area. The operator at the head end should keep the pulling strap long and assist by slightly raising the strap as the body moves over the top step. When reaching the half landing, it is important to steer a wide course so you do not encounter problems with the central pillar of the staircase. If needed, the cross straps and the length adjustment strap can be used to reposition the ResQmat on the half landing area. Both operators working together control the speed of the descent. Good communication is essential to ensure that the carer at the head end does not overbalance in an attempt to keep pace with the carer at the lower end. Once the patient has exited the building and reached a point of safety, the cross straps can be loosened to ensure the patient is comfortable. Where a mat has been used for training purposes, the base can be restored by the application of a spray polish and buffed with a duster or cloth. It is important to ensure that the ResQmat is thoroughly dry before putting it back into its case. The blue cotton cover can also be removed and laundered if soiled. If you have any questions or would like to request more information on the ResQmat, please contact Spectrum Healthcare.